So far, I feel like I made the outfit worse, so it's not looking good for regular me. Oh, hi freaks. I think I gave my eyebrow the same haircut my hair got. Anyway, let's see what Jaime is gonna have me wear today. Okay, this is actually pretty normal, and then red gloves. Why, Jaime? Why the red with that? I don't have that gray sweater anymore, but I have a similar one, so let's recreate this look. I look like I went to the office and got caught red-handed stealing someone's turban. I love how I thought to take the gloves off before wearing the socks and shoes correctly. I actually do kind of like the one earring though. I think because the scarf is on this side and then the earring's on the other side, so it feels like asymmetrical but balanced. But I do think I'm going to take this off. There's so many possibilities for scarves, especially one this big. Well, I took the scarf and the blazer off, and now I'm seeing all kinds of problems. Um, Obviously, I need to wear something under this if I'm going to keep this green top. And then the neckline of the sweater doesn't really work with this v-neck at all. And the necklace, there's just like a jumble of different lines happening here that is not good. And I don't know which earring to keep because now that the scarf is gone, this just looks really dumb. Probably this one, just because this is more gold and the necklace is silver. Although I do like the bigger earrings with the shorter hair, I think I'm still going to go with these. Well, I'm playing around with this scarf, but I don't know. I feel like this doesn't really fit the vibe. And also, this top is already pretty scarfy, so I just kind of look like a big blob. I would probably need one or the other. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I tried a t-shirt under here and put my necklace like this now. I don't know why I still have it on. I haven't seen anyone wear a necklace like this in years. Not that you can't. But so far, I feel like I made the outfit worse, so it's not looking good for regular me. Alright, I'm trying the sweater under, and I really like having the similar color under the scarf. I think that works a lot better. I think I need to button this up or snap it up. Well, I just threw this necklace in the back to get it out of the way while I was buttoning, but I think it's actually kind of better. That's a thing, right? Wearing your necklace backwards? I think that's a thing. I wish these knots wouldn't show right here. And then I don't like this panel of green, I don't think. Maybe I can just tuck it in because we don't really need this shirt anymore. Alright, I just changed my other earring because I almost forgot to do that, but I think this is it. Are we done? I feel like I strayed pretty far from the original look. Like we lost the navy up here with the blazer and we lost the dark green. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make one last adjustment. There, just a little peek. I like that better than the panel. Yeah, I don't know if I beat Jaime, maybe barely, but where would I wear this? I feel like I would wear this on a quest, like if I went to the office and opened a portal into a magical land. What about you? Would you wear this? Where would you wear it? Who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? And thanks for watching.